Hi guys, greetings of the day and welcome to my video channel Cruise Jobs Info. When we want to join the ship, it's quite natural that one question pops up in the mind. Hey, if something happens on the ship, some fire, flood, collision, damage or something, or fire or something happens, guys, who's going to take care of us? Who's going to take care of our safety? Well, this is very natural, and that is the only reason each and every ship company demands and requires before you join the ship that you should do the STCW safety course. That is the only reason then that you have to do all this course. And don't worry, guys, when you go on the ship, there is a safety officer. Very nice guy, very relaxed, cool, but with a lot of responsibilities, but he never panics. And he is the person who trains you and who inspects everything. He gives you training, he takes the boat drills, he do each and everything to teach you in real emergency how to respond, what to do, and how to save the lives. So guys, be sure that when you go on the ship, you will be taken care. And now let's talk about this gentleman, a safety officer on the ship. Guys, when you go on the ship, this safety officer, he gives you a safety number, safety card, your responsibilities in case of emergency, and you have to perform this during each and every individual or a scheduled boat drills. And evacuation plan, your muster station, your embarkation station, he will teach you, he will tell you each and everything, how all the equipments, the fire extinguishers and all that, how these are all operated and where is their location. He will teach you, he will tell you each and everything. Of course, you learned already when you were doing your STCW course, but he will still teach you, he will still guide you, and he will give you a fresh training. And I'm pretty sure that you will be sailing safe and you will be working in a safe environment. And guys, if you don't follow the safe working practices, the safety officer, then he is not a very nice guy. He can give you a little warning also. So please respect his job and follow his instructions. Basically, okay, let's talk about the safety officer now. Basically, he is responsible, a safety officer is responsible for safety and accident prevention on board. Risk of injuries, loss of human life, damage to the ship properties, and all aspects in the emergency situation. He regularly inspects and maintain, and he is on top of everything for supply sources, accumulators, batteries, uninterrupted power supply of all the emergency equipments, as well as emergency generators and lights. He will take care of all the firefighting and life-saving equipments like lifeboats, life rafts, launching devices, life jackets, smoke detectors, water sprinklers, fire alarms, PA system, public announcement system, and he, even for the boat drills and all, everything, he records everything in the deck logbook, and any equipment or any deficiency or any equipment malfunctioning, he informs immediately to his staff captain, because staff captain is in charge. And when this safety officer is to be promoted next, he will become as staff captain also. So he monitors all the safety muster stations and embarkation stations during the safety drills, and he is on top of everything. He trains all the staff working on the ship. He trains every week and whenever he get a chance regarding the lifeboats, life rafts, where is their location, how to launch them, how to lower them, and what all equipments are in the lifeboats and the life rafts, their maintenance, everything. And if life jackets, where are the life jackets? Where is where is the location? He teach you, he guide you for each and everything. In case of abandoning the ship, man overboard, somebody falls in the water, in the sea, and in that particular situation, what to do. So he will teach you each and everything. Firefighting and damage control, fire extinguishers, main vertical zones, bomb search, criminal, terrorist acts, how to deal with them and how to behave, how to act in those particular situations. He will teach you each and everything. How to close the watertight door in case of flooding, collision, grounding, or anything. How to close the watertight doors manually, or how to inform the bridge so that it can be closed with a remote from the bridge. Same thing is in case of fire, how to close the fire screen doors manually or from the bridge. In case of fire, how to use these emergency escape breathing devices. In case of medical emergency, somebody trips, somebody falls, somebody have attack, somebody whatever the situation could be, and how to behave, how to act during those medical emergencies. Environmental pollution, oil spills, and all these things. So he is the one who gives you all the trainings. He is responsible to give you all the trainings. During the drill or in a real emergency, if some guest is drunk and he is behaving and he is interrupting the other people's also. So how to handle that guy? If somebody is on a wheelchair, somebody don't remember his muster station or he don't know his cabin number, how to help them. And suppose somebody don't have a life jacket during this emergency situation or the boat drill, and how to handle them. The lost kids, they don't remember the cabin number, they don't remember which muster station they have to go. So he is the one who teach you, who tells you what to do in these real emergency situations, and how to send a distress signal, SOS signal, save our soul signal. And in case of real emergency, how to jump. There is a way to jump in the water, in the sea, of course, from the top, from the height. And what is the purpose of a sea anchor, and how to be seen together if there are any rescuers, how to be seen together in the water, how to follow the international safety management and quality and navigation bridge and all these things. And guys, safety is very important on the ship, not only for the crew members, for the passengers also. That is the only reason when all the passengers they come on the ship, the very first day on the embarkation day, even they are informed. There is a boat drill is also conducted for them, and that's safety officer is the one who is responsible for all that. This, to become a safety officer, he should have a 2 years experience, a minimum 2 years working experience as a safety 2, safety 1, and then the safety officer. And for this, of course, he has to some school, marine school training, also from some faculty or from institute. He has to be computer literated, and he has to speak, of course, good English also. And he should have a good command over public dealings, and how to build the team building also. And he makes close to $6,000 to $8,000 a month. Guys, I believe that this information is quite enough, and all the best to you.